Hello, welcome to another insightful video brought to you by Business Explained. Today, we have something truly special for you, a comprehensive overview of 27 distinct project management methodologies. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or an aspiring professional, or just curious about the world of project management, this video promises to be a treasure trove of knowledge. We'll not only explain each methodology, but also share real-life examples, fun stories, and fascinating facts. So grab your notebook and let's dive right into it. 1. Waterfall. This method strictly follows a sequential phase approach, where one stage must be completed before moving to the next. It's best suited for projects with clear, unchanging requirements. The lack of flexibility can be a drawback if changes are needed, making precise planning essential. Interesting fact. Building a house with Waterfall would mean laying a foundation that's inflexible to alterations. 2. Agile. Agile emphasizes collaboration, flexibility, and ongoing customer feedback, allowing continuous adjustments and iterative development. It breaks the project into smaller, manageable pieces and fosters a responsive approach to change. Often used in software development, Agile facilitates alignment with evolving client needs. Real-life example, Spotify's adaptation to market needs is the epitome of Agile at work. Their organizational structure, known as the Spotify model, emphasizes squads, tribes, and guilds, reflecting agility, collaboration, and adaptability. It's a powerful example of how a company can stay responsive to customer needs and industry trends. 3. PERT, Program Evaluation and Review Technique. PERT is a statistical tool that uses network diagrams to manage complex projects. It helps in identifying critical tasks, estimating time, and calculating slack time for better decision-making. The methodology is particularly beneficial in projects where task durations are uncertain. Interesting fact, PERT's debut during the Polaris missile project has left a lasting impact on project management. Developed in the late 1950s by the U.S. Navy, PERT's groundbreaking approach to the management and activity sequencing revolutionized project scheduling. Its legacy continues to influence modern project planning techniques. 4. Scrum. Scrum is an agile framework that encourages team collaboration, accountability, and iterative progress. It divides the project into smaller increments with regular reviews, ensuring alignment with goals. The Scrum Master and Product Owner roles are vital in steering the project and maintaining focus. Fun story, Scrum's rugby-inspired name reflects its team-driven nature, just as in rugby, where players work together to move the ball down the field. Scrum emphasizes collaboration, communication, and iterative progress. This analogy encapsulates the essence of the Scrum methodology, fostering teamwork and shared goals. 5. Kanban. Kanban emphasizes visual management of workflow, using boards to enhance efficiency and reduce bottlenecks. It encourages continuous communication and focuses on limiting work in progress. By visualizing tasks and flows, Kanban allows teams to quickly identify and address issues. Interesting fact, originally a Toyota innovation, Kanban's principles are now applied across various industries. 6. Extreme Programming, XP Methodology. XP prioritizes high customer involvement, continuous feedback, and frequent releases. It includes practices like paired programming and test-driven development to ensure quality. Collaboration between developers and customers is central to XP, fostering a responsive approach to changes. Real-life example, Chrysler's C3 project demonstrated how XP can revolutionize software development. By embracing practices like pair programming and continuous integration, XP transformed Chrysler's software development process, improving quality and efficiency. The C3 project has since become a landmark case study for XP. 7. Adaptive Project Framework, APF Methodology. APF thrives on change, dynamically adapting to shifts in goals or market conditions. It recognizes that project requirements may evolve and thus emphasizes ongoing learning and adaptation. This flexible nature makes APF suitable for complex projects with unclear or volatile requirements. Interesting fact, APF's adaptability resembles a living organism constantly adjusting to its environment. 8. Lean Methodology. Lean focuses on delivering value by eliminating waste and enhancing flow. It emphasizes a deep understanding of customer needs and aligning processes to meet them efficiently. By applying lean principles, organizations foster a culture of continuous improvement and waste reduction. Real-life example, Toyota's lean production system has inspired continuous improvement across sectors. By eliminating waste and optimizing resources, Toyota not only revolutionized its manufacturing process, but also influenced various industries from healthcare to software development. The Toyota Way is now a guiding principle for efficiency and excellence. 9. Critical Path Method, CPM. CPM involves identifying and managing tasks that are crucial to the project timeline. By understanding task dependencies and critical paths, managers can optimize schedules and resource allocation. Its rigorous focus on key activities makes it a vital tool for complex, large-scale projects. Interesting fact, from the Hoover Dam to modern skyscrapers, CPM has been a cornerstone in construction planning. 10. Critical Chain Project Management. This methodology focuses on resource constraints and applies buffers to ensure project timelines are met. It emphasizes the critical chain of tasks rather than just the critical path, considering resource availability. Balancing resources and schedules is a robust approach for multi-project environments. Real-life example, Eliyahu M. Goldratt, the creator of this method, applied it in various industries, showing a significant reduction in project duration. 11. New Product Introduction, NPI. NPI is specialized for launching new products, emphasizing coordination between design, manufacturing, and marketing. It follows stages from conception to market launch with critical review points. Streamlining the process, NPI ensures that new products align with market needs and organizational goals. Interesting fact, many tech giants like Apple utilize NPI to make successful product launches. 12. Package-Enabled Reengineering, PER. PER is utilized to revamp processes while implementing enterprise resource planning, ERP, packages. It includes assessment, design, and transition stages to ensure smooth ERP implementation. This methodology is key in industries looking to overhaul existing systems with packaged solutions. Fun story, large organizations often liken PER to a heart transplant, given its transformative effect on core systems. By replacing or overhauling existing processes with packaged solutions, PER rejuvenates an organization's core functionality. It's a dramatic, life-changing approach that resonates with the intensity of a medical transplant. 13. Outcome Mapping. This method focuses on behavioral change, recognizing that social change is complex and nonlinear. It helps in planning, monitoring, and evaluating initiatives aimed at influencing others. By focusing on relationships and cultural factors, outcome mapping offers a nuanced approach to social impact projects. Interesting fact, outcome mapping has been embraced by various NGOs to gauge the impact of social programs. Instead of merely tracking outputs, outcome mapping focuses on behavioral changes, relationships, and community engagement. This human-centric approach helps NGOs achieve more meaningful and lasting social impact. 14. Six Sigma. Six Sigma aims at process improvement by reducing errors and enhancing quality. It follows the DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, framework driven by data. Using statistical tools, Six Sigma identifies areas for improvement and ensures consistent quality delivery. Real-life example, General Electric's immense success with Six Sigma led to widespread adoption across various industries. 15. PMI's PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. PMBOK is a set of standardized guidelines and best practices in project management. It outlines processes, methods, and terminologies that are widely accepted across industries. As a foundational guide, PMBOK helps ensure consistency and professionalism in project management. Interesting fact, PMBOK is considered the Bible of project management and is widely used for PMP certification. 16. PRINCE2 Methodology. PRINCE2, Projects in Controlled Environments, is a structured approach that divides projects into manageable stages. It emphasizes control, quality management, and clear communication. With a defined framework and roles, PRINCE2 offers a systematic approach to managing complex projects. Interesting fact, the UK government initially used PRINCE2, but its effectiveness led to a global adoption. 17. Rapid Application Development, RAD Methodology. RAD prioritizes rapid prototyping and iterative development to allow flexibility and user feedback. It fosters close collaboration between developers and clients, ensuring that the end product aligns with the client needs. Its adaptive nature makes it suitable for projects requiring speedy delivery. Fun story, RAD was born during the dynamic tech boom of the 80s, fitting the era's need for speed. 18. Event chain methodology. This risk management method identifies and manages events that can affect project schedules. It visualizes uncertainties and establishes response strategies to mitigate the impact. By addressing potential risk proactively, event chain methodology aids in maintaining project stability. Interesting fact, event chain's vivid visualizations have made it a favorite in industries like construction and IT. Through graphical representations of tasks, dependencies, and risk events, stakeholders can easily understand and analyze project dynamics. It's a colorful and intuitive way to bring complex project data to life. 19. Hybrid. As the name suggests, the hybrid methodology combines elements of both Agile and Waterfall, offering flexibility while maintaining structure. This approach can adapt to various project requirements, utilizing the strengths of both methodologies. It's particularly effective when different project phases demand different approaches. Interesting fact, hybrid is often likened to having the best of both worlds, combining agility with stability. 20. Integrated project management, IPM. IPM focuses on aligning all aspects of a project, including stakeholders, goals, processes, and technologies. It fosters collaboration and ensures that every element of the project is integrated seamlessly. Through a unified approach, IPM enhances efficiency and coherence across the project lifecycle. Real-life example, NASA often utilizes IPM to manage its highly complex and interdisciplinary space missions. By coordinating various departments, technologies, and stakeholders, IPM ensures a unified approach. This method was instrumental in missions like the Mars rover, where intricate collaboration was vital. 21. PRISM. Projects integrating sustainable methods. PRISM's core principle is integrating sustainability into project management. It encompasses social, economic, and environmental factors, ensuring that projects align with sustainable development goals. By promoting responsible management, PRISM contributes to long-term societal benefits. Interesting fact, many green building projects worldwide leverage PRISM to achieve their sustainability targets. 22. Crystal. Crystal is a family of agile methodologies tailored to different project sizes and criticality. It emphasizes team collaboration, flexibility, and frequent delivery. Crystal's adaptability allows it to fit various project needs without imposing a rigid structure. Fun story, Crystal is named after minerals, where different project types are likened to different crystal hardness levels. 23. Rational Unified Process, RUP. RUP is an iterative software development process framework that emphasizes adaptability and customer feedback. It provides guidelines, templates, and examples promoting efficiency and best practices. RUP's robust structure supports customization to fit specific project needs. Interesting fact, RUP's 4 phases, inception, elaboration, construction, and transition, symbolize its comprehensive approach. This structure guides projects from conception through development and into deployment, providing a methodical and adaptive path. RUP's phased approach has become a standard in many software development organizations. 24. Feature-Driven Development, FDD. FDD prioritizes delivering tangible, client-valued features through short iterations. It includes domain walkthroughs, design inspections, and regular progress tracking. By focusing on client-valued outcomes, FDD ensures alignment with user needs and facilitates rapid delivery. Real-life example, many agile tech companies employ FDD to align software development with market demand. 25. Adaptive Software Development, ASD. ASD embraces change and uncertainty, fostering a collaborative and explorative approach. It replaces traditional planning with continuous adaptation and learning. ASD's responsive nature supports complex, rapidly changing projects where innovation is key. Interesting fact, ASD's core mantra of speculate, collaborate, learn encapsulates its dynamic spirit. It reflects a philosophy where traditional planning is replaced with ongoing adaptation and discovery. This emphasis on learning and collaboration makes ASD suitable for projects in rapidly changing environments. 26. Scrumban Methodology. Scrumban combines Scrum's iterative approach with Kanban's focus on workflow efficiency. It offers flexibility in planning with continuous process improvement and visualization. Scrumban's blended nature makes it suitable for projects that require both adaptability and visual control. Real life example, Scrumban has become a popular choice for continuous improvement in sectors like manufacturing and technology. 27. Dynamic Systems Development Method, DSDM. DSDM is an agile framework that emphasizes collaboration, iterative development, and delivery within fixed time and budget constraints. It follows a strict process with distinct phases and roles, ensuring control while maintaining agility. DSDM's disciplined yet adaptive approach makes it suitable for a wide array of projects. Fun story, DSDM was one of the original signatories of the Agile Manifesto, reflecting its foundational role in the Agile movement. Well, we went through them all. Thank you for staying until the end. If you found this video valuable, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and keep pushing the boundaries of project management excellence.